troops will continue to respond with overwhelming military force against any group that threatens the safety of citizens and troops alike. The men and women of the military will continue to put themselves in harm's way time and time again in order to protect our great nation. In the first instance, troops, while conducting offensive operation, entered into an ambush in Kudu General Area in Chiroro local government area of Niger State. And then the ambush and the firefight resulted in the death of 3 officers, 22 soldiers, while 7 were wounded in action.